So what is up, guys? Nick here, helping you to master your technology. iOS 14 Developer Beta 2 has been released. In this video, I'm going to show you some of the changes that come within this beta. Now you can see we do have 831.8 megabytes of download here on the iPhone 11 Pro. So depending on your phone, it might be a little bit less or a little bit higher. Let me know if you're downloading this update, what the storage space to download it was for you. Okay guys, so confirming the build number, we do have 18A5319I for this iOS 14 Beta 2. Okay guys, so let's take a look at one of the first visual changes, well, actually two of them. We'll look at them both since they're right next to each other. So you can see right here, the icon, the calendar icon, a little bit different here. It looks like the 7's a little bit more bold, maybe slightly, but you can see 2 instead of Tuesday, the whole word spelled out. So that's a little bit different. And then over here, if you look at the hands on the clock widget right there, or the little clock icon, you'll see that the hands are just a little bit bolder. They're a little bit bigger, a little bit more noticeable there. So that's just a small visual change here in iOS 14 Developer Beta 2. Okay guys, so when we're adding widgets here for iOS 14 Developer Beta 2, you see if I hit podcasts here, it's kind of matching the color here on all of these. So if we go ahead and add another one, let's go add another application. How about batteries? You'll see right here, add widget is green. So everything just kind of matches with the color here when adding widgets. Pretty sweet, I think. And so you can see right here, if we go ahead and add something like Apple News, you can see it's got that same color like the Apple News right here. So just a little neat touch. We're getting a little bit of refinements here with the widgets. You can see right here, this widget, the favorites widget, still showing a little bit of bugginess right there, not showing the icon fully, but at the same time, that's nice to see more color within these widgets, at least matching that same one that's in question. And so another thing I noticed in this beta here is it doesn't take long for the widgets to show the information. You can see how fast I just came right up here on the widget section. So definitely very quick here to show it. Before, it would kind of like load this stuff up. It would take a little bit of time. So it's getting a little bit faster here to show the widget previews basically. Okay guys, so taking it over to the weather application, a couple things here. So you can see the air quality section looks slightly different. Not a big deal different though. But down here you can see it no longer just says the name of your town. Sometimes it'll say the road or the most nearby location where this weather is coming from. So that's pretty neat. And another thing I noticed about this beta 2 here, and another thing I'm still noticing here in beta 2, when I go ahead and add the weather widget, it'll still say Cupertino when I add it here. Not sure why it's doing this. If I go ahead and add my city, go here, you can see that we do just click Chicago there and still says Cupertino. So this is a bug that needs to be fixed in future betas. Another thing here within the iOS 14 beta 2 is there's now a files widget. So if I scroll down here, you'll see files right there. So we can now do two different types of file widgets. The preview not showing very well here. At the same time though, we do have file widgets coming to the widget section here in iOS 14 Beta 2. Okay, so now the smaller widget on reminders in Beta 2 does show a little task you can see right there. For Beta 1 on the iPhone SE on the right, you can see it just kind of shows that little icon for reminders, but doesn't show the task, where you actually could see the task now. Right here, you can see do meditation. So definitely a pretty nice update there. You want to be able to see what you want to be reminded of, don't you? Okay guys, so another change here is within music. So if I go to music here, and I go to music here, you'll notice right here, we have this ability to disable animated cover art here that will automatically play. So we'll go to hit motion and we could turn that off or on. So that's a little bit of a difference here, whereas it's not available here on the right. So definitely a nice little update, something you probably don't use much if you don't use Apple Music, but still, hey, it's something new in beta 2. And so within Apple Music application itself, when you do hit play or pause, you will see or feel a little haptic feedback on these buttons through the haptic engine. If you have an older phone, or in the new phones, it just gives you like a little vibration. It's just a nice little feel when you're going through the tracks within your Apple Music. And you won't feel it here right now in the widgets, but you do feel it within the application. Nice little touch here, 14 beta 2. There's still quite a bit of bugs here, especially within widgets and a lot of other areas of the software. Apple did fix a lot of, behind the scenes stuff you don't really see much of, like in system location and stuff like that. A lot of little bugs in the background getting fixed, but we're moving along here. This is not a major update, I would say. Definitely the later betas will be showing some more major tweaks and updates, but I'm gonna go ahead now before we head up out of here and run a Geekbench to see what the performance is like on the developer beta 2. This is the 11 Pro with the A13 Bionic chipset. I'll be back when this Geekbench is done. And so we got a 1329 on the single core and a 3173 on the multi. Not too bad, still not the best. It is a beta after all, but that's the end of this video. Let me know if you guys are going to do this update, and if you did already, let us know any of the changes you're seeing, the stuff I missed in this video. I wasn't planning on doing every single bug in this video. I was just planning on showing some of the major things that you might see with this beta, but it's typical Apple season, beta season. We're going to go ahead and go through multiple betas until we get to the official, which should have more tweaks and stuff like that. So thumbs up if you enjoyed it, subscribe if you haven't already, and stay tuned for more. Nick here, helping you to master your technology. Thank you very much for watching. Be sure to be well, and peace.